What's up, YouTube? We got some Pizza Hut coming at you. I'll show you the goods. We got some French fries, we got some boneless wings, and we got some bacon bread. French fries, that's right, folks. Pizza Hut has new French fries. Let's give them a try, shall we? These French fries are so good. I did let it cool off before eating it. Pizza Hut's got good French fries. Check those out. And they give you ketchup if you want it. Go ahead and grab you one. Pizza Hut French fries are so good. Not bad for a pizza establishment. Now we got some boneless wings. These are garlic parmesan boneless wings with honey barbecue sauce added to it. So it's a honey barbecue garlic parmesan wing. Crack it open. I did ask them to put honey barbecue sauce only with the garlic parmesan. I don't think they did it, but that's all right. Their boneless wings are pretty good too. Now they didn't add the honey barbecue sauce to the garlic parm, but that's all right. Last time I had Pizza Hut wings, I ordered it with I ordered the honey. Well, goddamn it. Last time I had their wings, their boneless wings, I got the garlic parmesan wings, and I asked them to add honey barbecue to it. So I got two different flavors going into one, and it was so good I had to reorder it. But this time around they forgot to add the honey barbecue, and that's all right. On the instructions, I said, add honey barbecue to wings, thank. It didn't allow me to spell thanks all the way. It only gave me so many room to do instructions kind of thing. But these boneless wings are pretty tasty if you like the chicken nugget effect, basically is what these are. That's all right, I'm not mad at Pizza Hut for it because these are still good. So if you haven't tried their boneless wings, they're pretty good. Although I would highly recommend when you get the garlic parmesan wings, have them add the honey barbecue sauce to it too. It is so good. And last but not least, we have it, folks. What is this, you may ask? This is their new bacon cheddar bread. And it came with a side of ranch. And I like Pizza Hut. They're one of my favorite fast food chains. Their pizzones are so fucking good, though. Like the meat lovers, pizzone's my favorite out of the pizzone flavors. So I'm gonna grab our ranch. Set that down on top of the lid. What you thinking, YouTube? Would you have some of this bacon cheddar bread from Pizza Hut? That's looking good. I did let it cool off, so it's cold because I let it cool off. So that's kind of my bad, but what do you do? Let's go ahead and tear off a small piece. Look at that. Bacon and cheddar on point, son. Even though I let it cool off too long, it's still tasty. Testament, I guess. Let's get the dunk action. That's really good with the ranch. Hold up. Get you a bite. YouTube, I really appreciate you watching the video and hiring me for the cameo shout-outs. That ranch is really good too, and I am liking it. Well, YouTube, let me grab myself a towel here and wipe my hands off. My only complaint is that I did not get what I asked for when I asked for the wings. However, it was lunch rush, so they're probably busy and didn't see. It's all good though. It still tasted good. But yeah, I would highly recommend the bacon cheddar bread from Pizza Hut. It's really good. They're boneless wings, even though they didn't add the honey barbecue to the garlic parmesan like I asked, they still tasted good. Those french fries, crispy with like a little bit of chewiness. Overall good flavor. Drink combo I'm popping off with too here in about a couple minutes or so, so stick around for that goodness. But for now, I'm going to wash down that tastiness with a sun-kissed mango orange. Thank you for watching my Pizza Hut food review. And if you like these kinds of videos, hit like, subscribe for more. And check out Pizza Hut's other delicious items on their menu. Their pizzones are simply the best. Like I said, their meat lover pizzones, they're good. My favorite item from Pizza Hut would have to be a Meat Lovers large stuffed crust, extra cheese, extra bacon, add onions. Fire, dude. Anyways, YouTube, thank you for watching the Pizza Hut review. Catch you later.